Viewers, the elections in Tamil Nadu are over, but in other states and union territories, there are still 6 phases remaining, and the dust from the DMK's earlier attacks on Sanatan Dharma is yet to settle. Could it damage the larger INDI bloc's prospects in the other states? That's the big question, because a senior Congress leader, one of the few chief ministers of the Congress, has lashed out at Congress's ally DMK's insults to Sanatan Dharma. Speaking to Group Editor-in-Chief Navika, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has taken a stand on the flagrant insults to Sanatan Dharma. Revanth Reddy says that the anti-Sanatan statements made by DMK leaders like Udayanidhi Stalin, A. Raja and others are wrong and that they reflect the party's mindset. The Congress Chief Minister has condemned the remarks against religion, calling them wrong, and in a big statement has said that Udayanidhi Stalin, the son of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, must be punished for his remarks. Let's listen in.
जो सनातन के खिलाफ आपके अलायंस पार्टनर डीएम के नेता ने कहा, उसके बारे में आपको लगता है जो कहा वो ठीक कहा?
वो गलत है। कौन ठीक बोला है? वो उनका माइंडसेट है, उनका माइंडसेट वो उनको बोलना है।
पार्टनर है वो ना,
तो क्या?
और कांग्रेस पार्टी से
परिवार में भी अलग अलग सोचदार रहता है, अलग अलग सोच रहते हैं, अलग अलग बात होते रहते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी में बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं दिखाता हूँ, परिवार में दो पार्टी में है सो वाले, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ ऑल्सो दे आर इन डिफरेंट पार्टीज इन भारतीय जनता पार्टी। तो इसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं? कोई इंडिविजुअल कोई कुछ के उनके माइंडसेट से कुछ कहा तो वो इंडिविजुअल स्टेटमेंट है, उसके लिए हम जो बोलना है वो बोलेंगे।
आप उस अलायंस पार्टनर, उस सरकार के पार्ट हैं, तो क्या कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं?
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं। नहीं, कुछ बोले तो गलत रहा तो गलत बोल के हम बोल सकते हैं। उनका
लेकिन किसी ने बोला नहीं, कांग्रेस पार्टी से।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं तेलंगाना प्रदेश का अध्यक्ष हूँ, मैं मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, मेरा स्टेटमेंट को क्यों नहीं लेते आप? क्यों मेरे को कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है क्या कांग्रेस
पार्टी में? आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो सनातन धर्म के बारे में कहा था वो गलत है?
बराबर गलत है। किसी धर्म के खिलाफ कोई बोले तो वो ठीक नहीं है।
आपको लगता है इसका असर कांग्रेस
यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, हर आदमी का, हर जाति का, हर धर्म का अलग अलग नियम है, अलग अलग नियम अलग अलग लोग मानते। हमारा नियम हम मानते, उनका नियम उन मानते, मगर किसी के नियम के खिलाफ, किसी के धर्म के खिलाफ कोई भी कुछ कहा तो वो ठीक नहीं है। वैसे लोगों को पनिशमेंट देना जरूरी है। तो आप वो इस्लाम हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो या हिंदू धर्म हो,
तो उदयनिधि स्टालिन को पनिशमेंट देना चाहिए?
जरूर देना है, क्यों नहीं?
अच्छा, पनिशमेंट देना चाहिए।
हाँ, जो सिस्टम चलना है, सिस्टम तो प्रिवेल हो जाना है। सिस्टम तो मोदी जी डिमोलिश करके छोड़ दिए।
So we just heard Revanth Reddy, and Dharini joins us now. Dharini, Revanth Reddy says that there should be action against Udayanidhi Stalin. Why is he making this remark now? And has the DMK benefited from its insults to Sanatan Dharma? All the seats went to polls yesterday.
The DMK has not reacted to Revanth Reddy's comment so far, and we tried approaching several of the DMK spokespersons here in Tamil Nadu. They've refused to comment on this development. But as far as Tamil Nadu polls are concerned, the Sanatan Road doesn't seem to play a significant role determining the poll results here. It seems to be a DMK dominator here in Tamil Nadu as far as the polls here are concerned. Even several poll surveys are predicting that most of the seats in Tamil Nadu will go to the DMK this time, the India Alliance this time, and there may be a few seats that might go to the ADMK and BJP, but a majority of the seats, above 30, will go to the DMK this time, is what many of the poll surveys are predicting. So the Sanatan Road doesn't really seem to have a reflection electorally in Tamil Nadu. But as far as the Hindi heartland is concerned, this definitely it might play a very crucial role in the upcoming phases of Lok Sabha elections, and especially Revanth Reddy's remark, being a Congress leader and Chief Minister of Telangana. Revanth Reddy has told that whatever Udayanidhi Stalin and A. Raja told about Sanatan Dharma, their remarks about Sanatan Dharma, they are condemnable, and that he also goes on to tell that Udayanidhi can also be punished for this. So of course this seems to be a difference of opinion between the Congress leader Revanth Reddy and some of the DMK leaders here in Tamil Nadu. But the Congress High Command has not openly reacted to the Sanatan remarks so far. It's been 5-6 months since this controversy first broke out, but we have not got a clear picture of of response from the Congress's high command. But this time, this is the Chief Minister of Telangana and also a senior Congress leader, Revanth Reddy, coming out and openly expressing his difference of opinion with DMK leaders such as Udayanidhi Stalin and A. Raja in terms of Sanatan Dharma. He's telling that Udayanidhi and A. Raja's statements are condemnable and that Udayanidhi can also be punished for what he told. But we also have to look at the other points that he's trying to make. He's telling that in one family there may be difference of opinions. Even in one family, the husband will have a certain opinion about something and the wife will have a different opinion. So it is quite natural to have difference of opinions, and this doesn't really reflect this doesn't really come out as a as a break in the India alliance, is what he's telling, as a scuffle.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।